Hey guys, good morning. I just hit the gym and did a light workout, like a little 35-minute workout. And now I just showered, got ready. I'm in like a full Aloe yoga fit because I have a shoot with Aloe, which is super exciting. It's a quick kind of like user-generated content vibe iPhone shoot. I'm super excited. I'm heading to their headquarters right now. I'll show you guys my fit, and my camera's about to die, so I need to charge it really quick before we go. But I'm so excited. Then I have a few errands to run, some appointments, and then we're doing a fun date night with Frankie. So this is just the start to this weekend in my life. Happy Friday, and let's get going. Okay guys, here's the little fit. Full outfit is from Aloe. Sneakers are just Air Forces. My bag is from Stod, and these glasses are Ray-Bans. Shooting like a new high impact bra, which is super exciting, and it goes by cup size, which is amazing. I don't think they've done that before, so you know I'm a bigger chested girly, so that definitely is great for me. Here is my full fit. So cute. You guys, I just did a full-blown workout. They were having us like do a whole workout for this set to show it off, and I had no idea. I already did a workout this morning, but it's fine. I only did cardio, so that was really nice. It was kind of like a little boot camp F45 inspired workout, so that was awesome. I'm wearing this set. I think I'm just gonna take it with me and keep it on because it's really cute. That was super fun. It ended up being a full-blown workout, like I said, which was great. Then I got a green juice and some chia seed pudding. I'm not actually hungry yet, but I got a green juice and some chia seed pudding for later. I'm gonna drink the green juice now, and I also got an iced oat milk latte, which is amazing. And everything's from errand, which is fantastic. That was super fun. I love working with their team. They're so sweet. I honestly like really appreciate them. Hobie, the guy that I always connect with over at Aloe, he is just such a dream, such a pleasure to work with. Everyone there is so nice. I'm getting Botox in my jaw because I grind my teeth in my sleep, and I find that in my jawline, when it wears off, gets really puffy. I've done it before, you guys. I've shown you guys it, and it really makes a huge difference in the way, one, that I sleep, 2, the way that my face looks, and 3, the way that my back teeth feel. It's crazy. I have so much back of my jaw movement, and the tooth grinding in the middle of the night, actually, like, I wake up and my jaw is sore. So I'm really excited to do that. It's this girl Lena, but it's in Tarzana. So I'm the kind of person, if I find people that I like, even if they're far away, like my Pilates instructor, everyone's always like, why do you drive to Encino to do Pilates, which is literally an hour from West Hollywood? And it's because I love my Pilates instructor. Like, when I'm a ride or die type of person when it comes to like finding people I love. My hairstylist was in Huntington Beach. Like, she's mad far. No, she's in Redondo Beach. And I love her, and I go to her because I love her. So I will find a person, and I don't mind driving an hour to get to you because I love you. So anyways, this is 30 minutes away. So I'm going to do that right now. And then Frankie and I are doing a beach trip tomorrow, so we are gonna be packing everything up tonight. So I'm on a walk. I've always wanted to do this walk. It's Wilshire, right next to Brentwood and Beverly Hills. And I've always walked past these huge buildings that remind me of Miami. And I've always wanted to do this walk. So I have time to kill in between my Aloe shoot and my Botox appointment. So I am just gonna do this little walk. Get a little few steps in, rays of sunshine, and then go back to my car and drive because I looked at it and it's not gonna take me that long. So just like everything I could ask for. So good. I also just ordered an Aura ring and it just came in, and I am going to set it up. I got the gold one. It's so cute because I've had my Fitbit for so long and I thought it was time to upgrade. So I'm so effing excited about this, you guys. Yeah, it's so cute actually. I really like it. Looks like this, and I got it in like a bigger size so I can put it on my middle finger. I can't do it with one hand, but yeah. For dinner tonight, I'm having this little salad from Trader Joe's, but I'm gonna add extra chicken to it because it never comes with enough chicken. Also, my dog is like barking at the neighbor's dog right now, so ignore that. Okay, here's what our salad's looking like. She ain't that pretty, but I think it's gonna be good. I added some cowboy caviar and half of an avocado. And then I mixed in the dressing, which is kind of a strange dressing. It's a sweet basil dressing, so it kind of tastes pesto-y, which is odd with like what's giving Southwestern vibes, but we'll see. I don't know. I feel like the avocado and the what's it called, cowboy caviar might spice it up a little bit.
When they do hang one, it gets...
13. No runs, no hits, no errors, and 2 men. Yep. Left.
Good morning, guys. We just woke up. It is Saturday morning. I just made a coffee and we're packing up for the beach, and I made Frankie a bagel. I also made myself a bagel for the actual beach, but I'm not hungry for it yet. We've got beach outfits laid out, beach bags, all of these. I bought these 2 coolers yesterday that I showed you guys. That's the Tommy Bahama one. I think we're gonna use one of them for drinks and one of them for food. Which one do you think?
The bigger one for drinks.
Okay. And that one for food. Okay.
Way more drinks.
Technically, then I think we should put the frozen water bottles, Frankie, at the bottom of the food one. And then use the other one for just like alcohol seltzers and things like that. Do you know what I mean?
How are they gonna stay cold?
They're all cold already. And that thing is way more insulated than this one. Do you get what I'm saying? So, we can throw one of the water bottles in there or something, but overall I think we should put at least two of the frozen water bottles in there to keep the food cold, and that should be good. My mom used to do that and it works. You guys, I wanted to show you this swimsuit. I think it's so cute. It's from Revolve. I think it's by the brand Majorelle. I might be completely wrong, but I love it. It's like this knit material with little pearls. It's so cute. Knit material. It's crochet. And then I'm wearing this hat from 112s, which I also really love. And then I'm gonna wear like a little romper and a hoodie over it right now, or like a crew neck, because it might be a little bit chillier on the beach when we first got there, but I really love this swimsuit. I think it's so cute.
Oh, looks
You're
like
on the vlog. Say hi, vlog.
Vlog squad.
Here's the full outfit.
What is this dog shit?
You believe this parlay Kyle hit yesterday?
Not that you could hear me over this guy talking in the background.
Kyle,
Tom Aspinall. I love Tom Aspinall. I wish we got him in a green pulsar. Oh my god, we do it.
We got deli sandwiches, and now we also got Starbucks. I'm happy, and the little boy is also very happy right now with this puppuccino. It was so sweet. The barista working at Starbucks was like, I saw your puppy. Did you want a puppuccino for the baby? And I was like, yes, I do. He's 2 years old. He just turned 2. He's a big boy. Are you the happiest boy ever right now? Hey guys, Yankees in the background, as usual. I apologize. We just got back from the beach, showered. My hair's still wet, so I threw it up, but I'm wearing this cute little outfit. Oh my god, ignore my mess of a room in the background. Tomorrow's cleaning day, but let me show you my fit. It's really cute. We're going to a really cute dinner with our friends Quinn and her boyfriend Colby, and then potentially our friend Brent might meet us there as well. But I'll show you guys my fit. We're going to a new restaurant, so I'm really excited. So I'm wearing this top. It's green. It's from Fashion Nova. It's really cute. And then these white loose pants from Urban Outfitters. My heels are from Fashion Nova as well. And then this bag is from Staud. I'm obsessed with this outfit. I think it's like the perfect post-beach outfit. I'm really excited for this dinner. It's Sunday. I'm sunburned. Last night was super fun. I had a little bit of a sleep in. I slept till 9. We went to bed at like midnight. Well, we got home at like probably 11. So cute. Dinner was so fun. It felt like we were on vacation all day yesterday. It was so fun. We like showered quickly and went to this like Tulum inspired restaurant, which we had no idea was actually in the same hotel as the bar that we wanted to go to, that we were planning to go to all night. Right now I'm just making a little yogurt bowl before I go to the gym. It's like 11:17 right now, so I've just been like hanging around. I was on FaceTime with my mom, and then my friend Monica called, and we were just chatting. So I just used this Brown Cow, it's whole milk maple flavored yogurt. Then I used some strawberries and blueberries, and this Paleo Nola. It's grain-free maple pancake granola. I'm not grain-free or anything like that. I just it's really good, and it's like full of like healthy fats and protein. So that's what my little breakfast bowl is looking like. So I'm gonna eat this and then probably head to the gym. Just made this piece of avocado toast with feta, everything but the bagel seasoning, hot honey, and balsamic glaze. Oh my god, we're trying to clean up the whole house right now, and we've got some candles burning, and we cleaned this area. I need Frank to get rid of that speaker out of my coffee station because it is just creating an eyesore. But I'm about to have a little bit, also don't mind that. These are going to the consignment store. This needs to be organized, and the refrigerator kind of, I mean, it's kind of organized. I'm about to have this crunchy slaw. It's kind of like an Asian inspired chicken salad and half of an avocado. You guys saw I had the other half on my avocado toast. These are those little avocados that you can get. They're like small to medium size, I would say. So I'm gonna have that. And Frankie is doing such a great job cleaning out the living room area. I have been focusing my efforts on the bedroom. I need to make the bed, and I'm gonna start going through the drawers underneath, but there was just crap everywhere, so I had to basically like go through everything. I need to do laundry. That is a bag of winter clothes that I need to go put in storage. I totally forgot. This candle literally has just sat on our coffee table in the living room, and we've never burned it, and it's literally my favorite perfume, Replica Beach Walk, and it's the best, so I'm burning it right now. I got this other candle. This smells like the best orchid flower in the whole world. It like smells amazing. So I still have a lot more cleaning to do in this room. We're making progress. That's trash. Those are my sweatpants that I wear for the week, and yeah, we're making progress. You guys, I literally look horrendous. Oh my god, I look like an actual Red Lobster. But I haven't vlogged this whole day because I've just been cleaning. I had that Chinese chicken salad. Then I finished up going through all my swimsuits and getting rid of a bunch of stuff that I'm actually going to send to some of my friends. Because it's all like really cute stuff. I just have so many bathing suits that I don't wear. So I did that. Then we gave Dinky a bath because yesterday he went to the beach, and we got home late after dinner, so we didn't end up giving him a bath yesterday. And now I have just been planning out my Miami trip with my friend Monica, and kind of hanging out, like watching YouTube and stuff. And Frankie just got home, so I think we're gonna probably watch a movie. I just snacked on some chicken, which is so random, but I was like craving chicken breast, and I had that salad like 2 hours ago, and I got a little nibbly. So that's that. A very, very chill Sunday. Like, honestly, have not been doing anything exciting, just cleaning and getting myself organized for the rest of the week. But it feels good to do that and have like a little Sunday reset. And I put a hair mask in my hair. I did I forget what it's called. It's called Don't Despair Repair. I forget what the brand is called. Briogeo, I think, is the brand, but yeah, it's really nice. So I'm leaving that in my hair right now. That's why I look literally atrocious, but whatever, bear with me. I'm in my Boston t-shirt that I always wear because it's so comfy. Brandy Melville, Boston tea. Okay, I'm getting ready for bed. I just took the last of my supplements that was in this thing, and now I'm just replenishing it for the week. So I like put everything that I know I want to take for the week, and I just put them in here, and then it makes it easier. Obviously this is so self-explanatory, but I feel like if you are someone that struggles with taking your vitamins and your supplements, honestly, I take them all at once. I take like a big handful of like 6 pills at once and literally just shove it in and gulp it down with a bunch of water, and that's basically just how I force myself to do it. Hey you guys, it's Monday. It is not 2 o'clock. I don't know why it says that. It's literally 8 o'clock. Frankie just made me a pot of coffee this morning, and I ran out of my Chamberlain coffee, so I finally dug into this. The microwave's going off. I dug into this coffee I bought in Hawaii, and this is the vanilla macadamia nut. I just took a sip of this, and oh my god, no wonder this coffee was so expensive. It was $14 for a tiny, like, this is the size of my hand. This is the best coffee I've ever tasted in my life. Like, I'm not kidding. I need to go online. If anybody knows a place where they sell these for less expensive, that would be amazing. But here's what I'm putting in my coffee this morning. Same crap as usual. Non-dairy oat creamer, brown sugar from Trader Joe's, and the Nut Pods barista oat milk, and then I might do a little splash of the caramel syrup. Just wanted to end off the vlog real quick. I just did a little workout and got dressed. I'm about to go work at a coffee shop, and I wanted to show you guys my little outfit before I close off the vlog and start a new one tomorrow. I'm actually about to go edit this vlog at a coffee shop, so I'm really excited to get this up for you guys. I'm just wearing these linen pants, my Yeezy slides, this top from Revolve, and a beach tote, and I'm gonna throw my laptop in here and get going. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I really enjoyed filming it for you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.